Hi, my name is Uri Weinstock. I'm from Weinstock Abogados in San Jose, Costa Rica, and I'm going to give you a brief introduction about advertising law in Costa Rica. Advertising law in Costa Rica is regulated by a group of different laws kind of spread apart into different areas. The most important of those is the consumer protection law, which has several regulations directly related to advertising. It deals with information to consumers, claims for products, promotions, and it also deals with endorsements and testimonials and comparative advertising. There are also other regulations that apply. For example, the Civil Code regulates all that has to do with image rights, or what you call here in the US publicity rights. And there are also specific product regulations dealt with by the Health Code and by product regulations such as alcohol, prescription medicines, and similars like natural products and so on. Also some regulations for the financial sector that regulate advertising for those products. In general, there are several authorities that oversee the advertising, mostly the consumer protection. There's also an office that deals with the use and the portrayal of women in advertising. And of course, there are the courts of law who can see cases related to unfair competition, comparative advertising, and also disparagement and misleading advertising as well. There's also a very new and very recent law dealing with data protection and privacy, and there's also an authority for that oversees and registers all the databases for consumers that it's being used, and that's kind of like the newest piece of regulation affecting advertising that it's in the process of being implemented in Costa Rica. An important thing about Costa Rica as well is the courts have recently allowed for consumer class actions that deals directly with the advertising industry, and this is something very new and very recent that is in the process of being developed. And basically, the different actions that can be taken are either through consumer protection groups that take to the authorities that oversee advertising, normally not through prior clearance, except for very specific products, but in general there's no prior clearance, but rather responsibility after the fact in case some of the rights or some of the regulations are not complied with. Thank you very much.